hear it? I tell you what, you do the throttle, and I'll do this, okay?
He knows what he's doing.
I know, and he's enjoying it. And it's something he's doing with the
You're gonna
kids.
make it take off.
It's good for him.
This is a gratification thing.
Look at Waylon go. Wow!
Whoa! Waylon!
Waylon.
I turned it off.
You're doing a great job.
The one child I didn't think I should get.
Throttle there.
I'll tell you what, because the older kids do stuff, he catches on to stuff super fast.
Why? Because we
Well, I
couldn't
kept
get it.
thinking, just get one and get it for 40. And I thought, what the heck? He can grow into it. He's the one that's taking.
In the sky.
Okay.
All right, hang
That
on.
would be good.
It would be good.
Okay,
And
let's,
it will say, Mayday, Mayday.
He's even got the lingo down.
now you do that one, I'll do this one. Okay, here we are.
Look, guys, look at those huge hawks. Woo, those are big ones.
Okay.
Better watch Lily.
Yeah, seriously. She's perfect size.
Well, I'm thinking.
Poor Wiener.
Well, oh, there we go.
Did Waylon do that?
Oh.
A cracked up.
Okay, we're gonna take a break. I'm a nervous wreck.
Okay.
Come on,
Well,
that's
all right, Waylon, we're going to have to read the instructions a while now so we can figure out how to make it. It's okay.
Oh, yeah, fine.
Do you like it, Waylon?
They
Probably should get on Amazon and order several sets.
And then we take a boat.
Well, so far they're really moving up
Then we
good.
take a boat over here.
You want to take a boat across the lake?
Yeah, I was too, because mine,
I mean,
I broke off one of these rudders from my off-site
helicopter flies over there, I'll lose it.
That's right. We will not fly the helicopter across the lake.
Why?
Well, we don't want to fly it across.
The lake.
If it fell in the water, we might lose it though, right?
It gets like a video.
If we fly it over there, if we fly it in the sky, it will come down.
Do you love it?
To fly it up there.
He wants to fly it across the lake, Poppy, so we have to go get a boat to go across and get it.
That would scare the ducks.
And it will,
What would the ducks do if you flew over
and it
in
will, and
between?
it will,
That would be pretty funny.
fall onto the ground.
Look at what a pretty morning it is. Oh, there's some duckies. The water is super low.
Now you want Poppy to teach you.
Need some help? You're just turning all the way. How's it going?
Ask Poppy if you need help.
I need help. I can't do it.
Let's fly one at a time, okay?
So you got this on, that's good.
Ford, you might need shoes. It's still wet out, babe.
Well, we gotta learn how to keep them from crashing before we fly.
What?
Wait.
Whoa.
Oh.
Ooh.
Not right now. Let Ford
Those are cute little things.
okay?
What did you do?
Well, that's the throttle. This is the steering.
Now your mom's right here next to it, so be careful.
Wait, Ford, I'll show you how to turn it on.
Okay, try it now.
Oh, Poppy, watch your eyes, please.
What did it turn on?
Okay.
It's not working.
I know, but this is the throttle.
Is that
Okay, now throttle off. Throttle. Easy on the throttle. Now more.
So, Poppy, explain what the throttle is. Tell him what that means.
Go down there.
Whoa.
Poppy's going to show you. Poppy's going to show you about it. Go down there so Poppy can show both of you. You got it?
Ford, let Poppy explain what the throttle is.
When it takes off, which way is it going to go? It's going to go right toward
The tree.
Waylon. So when you set it down, you point it away from you.
Ooh, I like the lights.
it's not working?
Good. See how gently you did that? Excellent, Ford.
Buddy.
Jumper flying. Back away.
All right, do it gently. Good.
I win.
Very good, buddy.
Now gentle,
Excellent.
Ford.
Do you want to go see what Ford's doing?
Waylon likes full throttle.
Hey, Ford's coming. Waylon's
Yeah,
coming.
I'm
You
not
show
sure why it's
Waylon
not
what you're
throttling
doing,
up
okay?
It may charge. Ooh. That's a sharp little blade.
No, did it get you?
Just on the finger.
Did it cut you?
No.
It's
No,
plastic.
those are safety blades. They're not going to cut you.
I mean, this is a supervised
Oh,
toy,
Ford, when you
definitely.
carry it, don't carry it by
But
the blade.
I just thought it would be fun for
Carry it like
everybody
this.
out here.
Yeah.
You can try yours.
All right, now point it out, Ford.
I'm gonna do it fun.
Now listen.
Try to stay away from the rocks and trees.
And you have to really think about go slow until you get the hang of it. Because, buddy, if that lands in the water, we're done.
Yeah.
Go easy does it.
What is these buttons do? Whoa!
Easy. Nice.
Job, Ford.
Good job.
Woo! Nice job.
Ford, you're amazing. Isn't that amazing?
You're getting the hang of it, buddy.
Do it up here.
Oh, Ford, you're amazing,
And then we'll fall down.
All right, easy does it.
Whoa.
Throttle.
You gotta give it gas, buddy. Whoa. Okay, stop.
Now that was
It's better down there, Ford. There's not as many things.
That's a good idea. Let's try in the grass. Now, don't hold it by, remember, Poppy said don't hold it by the wings.
You hold it down
buddy.
on
Yeah, you
the
got to
knee.
hold it by the fuselage. There you go. That's pointed at you. You don't want
No,
it
no,
pointed
no,
at
not
you.
pointed at you.
Bring it out here a bit.
Now,
Fix it. Fix
blades
it.
are on the ground.
Yeah, fix it, buddy. Make sure it's level.
It's level means, you know, it's sitting flat. That's what pilots have to do for it. They have to find a good place.
Yeah.
when it was cutting the grass.
There you go. There you go.
Now get behind it on this side.
Oh, good. It's aimed for mommy.
All right, Ford. Give it a shot.
And fire!
I think we need to build a helicopter pad.
Let me see what's going on.
Well, you're maybe too far away from it.
Careful.
Ooh, you okay, bud?
Now point it toward the
Is
tree.
it on? Turn it
Turn
away.
it away from the
Turn it
tree.
towards the lake, bud.